Hey everybody, welcome back to Learn with Maths. Now remember last time we talked about how to perform summations using Excel as part of the journey to data analysis with Excel. At least that's the first thing we're looking at. Remember that this page is dedicated to understanding data analysis or doing it the easy way. So today we are looking at how to perform averaging of numbers. Remember that there are a lot of mathematical formulas and functions when you are dealing with Excel, and you can perform a wide range of them. So, suppose you have questions on how to perform specific functions, you can leave your email and your question in the comment, and I'll definitely get back to you. Yeah, so let's get right to it. How do we perform averaging using Excel? So, one thing is quite important. To declare a formula, you have to always start it with the equal to sign. So in the yellow box here, I want to find the average of these numbers from 50 to 100 to 40 to 50 to 20. So I simply type equal to average. In bracket, I specify the cells for which the cells of the numbers for which I want to perform the average on. So this is D7 to D11. So I simply say D7 to D11. Close the bracket and click enter. That performs the averaging for me. Quite easy, right? Now there's also the average if for a conditional average. Remember that we did sum if. Here we say sum if a particular condition is met. So here we say average if a particular condition is met. Let's say we want we want to average the number share that are greater than 20. So we simply type the same thing. We say equal to average if okay, let's convert that to capital average. It's always better to use capital letter. So instead of not confuse it for anything else. Average if. So the first thing you do, as always, is include the range of your number. So the range here is I7, I7, I7 to I11, I11, comma. You specify your condition. Remember that to specify your condition, you need to use a quotation for the condition. So we say the condition is for numbers that are greater than 20. We close this, close the bracket, and we click enter. This performs the averaging of these numbers, but with the exclusion of 20 because 20 is not in the range of numbers that are greater than 20. So it's quite easy when you understand how to manipulate numbers. Suppose you want to manipulate the data in your sheet or the data in the numbers of the data you're trying to work with. Averaging is very important, summation is very important, which is why we focused on these two. Suppose you have special questions about how to perform other mathematical expressions or function, always don't remember to leave a comment. I'll be happy to respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.